Xavier Ringer. I'm a muralist from the United States, raised in Georgia, and my aim is to do participatory community murals so that the community can feel ownership and be proud of what they communicate to the public. This project really represents harmony and the collaboration of different ideas and how people in Satun live together, being Buddhists of the Islam faith. And I think that the process is a metaphor for how much work and thought it takes to really put all of our hands in and come up with something beautiful. And I think that art is a tool to bring people together and create a story together without having to come from the same place. It helps you see what they can do. And every time they pass by this piece of art, they know I helped paint that, I did that, I painted the wave, I painted the face. And I think that's powerful because they took part in something and their ideas matter from the beginning. I asked them what makes you feel proud, what makes you feel valued, and those things are represented throughout this mural. And I think there's no better way to tell young people that they matter and that they're important and that who they are is priority than to allow them the autonomy and space to communicate to the public.
เป็นแรงบันดาลใจของลูกเด็กกำลังวาดรูปเป็นรูปเกี่ยวกับธรรมชาติรู้สึกภูมิใจที่ฝาผนังนี้มีรูปหนูค่ะ
รู้สึกดีและภูมิใจมากครับ